The music department has so many opportunities to perform as a student here, not just as a major or minor, but also as a non-major. We have our performing arts ensembles, so we have our choir, our orchestra, and our bands that we have. We also have small ensembles, we have solo experiences, so students have chances to perform constantly. We also have musical theater where students can participate in any of the main stage shows that are housed within our theater department, and they can also be a part of plays and dance recitals as well. So truly you can come to Carthage and experience anything and everything performing arts related.
We do some things that are more regional and local. We do some things that are more national. We've been to Georgia, Phoenix, and then the international trips, which are also within our cycle of rotation, which are always exciting. We've been to Japan now 7 times, and we will be going now our 8th trip in January of 27, and that's just such a remarkable experience for the students to enjoy.
Here's what I love about having so many performance opportunities here at Carthage. Not only do our students get the chance to be the performer themselves, they get to see all of the inner workings of performing arts as well. So whether that be working backstage in a musical, whether that be on a setup crew, whether that be learning how to produce something like the Christmas festival, they get to see all the inner workings of performing arts, not just the performer side. And that experience is invaluable when it comes to the real world. They become marketable. They have so many transferable skills that work just outside of music as well, that they're really creating their comprehensive plan A while they're here.
The benefit of having all these, different kinds of performances, whether it's something on campus or in a tour, is first of all to see the impact that art can have on people. It is to see, the fruits of your labor, no matter how many hours you've spent. You can see that music has an impact on people. And that's something that transcends any major you might have, any minor you might have, any, amount of experience you might have, to see the impact that you can have. I think that the other, really important thing is that it builds confidence in people. You may think that your voice isn't worth listening to, but it so is, You'll have the training that you need to feel like you're able to step out, whether you're a musical theater major who's about to go and, do your first big regional show. Maybe you're a music ed student who's about to student teach. Maybe you're a nursing major who's about to go out and have your boards. No matter who you are, that sense of, kind of grounding yourself will allow you to succeed in so many different avenues.